Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to learn how I made a light fixture. We can start this project by cut all of the crosscuts for the 90-degree assembly. After this crosscut was made, I need to cut the joinery for this section. I go with mortise and tenon joint. Now I cut the mortise. Now we need to cut the tenon. You can see I stick on the fit because I didn't want to make it too loose. And you can see I get it just right in the second try. Now I cleaned up the tenon. And then the mortise. I did go with the 2-part epoxy in this glue up because this is my first time to cut this joinery, and there are some places that I cut it too loose. Don't forget to put the glue on both sides and not just the mortise or just the tenon. And then I put the clamps. And you really don't want to forget checking for square. And then I cut the groove for the wire to go through. And then I cut 45 degrees brace because we need some support on this 90 degrees assembly. And then doing some more crosscuts for the side. And then I glued the sides and nail it. then I take the nail punch and drove every nail under the surface. And then I glued up the brace and put 2 screws just for extra support. This technique I take from the Wood Whisper. Go check them out, I will put a link in the description. And then final sanding. And then some hand sanding. I have this check in the wood, so I fill it up with epoxy. And then I sanded the epoxy down with 80 grit. This is a good time to throw the chuck on the lathe. I need to drill all the way through this plank. And then to put some finish on the piece. I will not show the wiring process in this video because there are a lot of good videos out there that you can watch. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell and I will see you next time.